सतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 9.2 problem number 4. Look at the question. Number of villages with respect to their population as per India census 2011 are given below. This is the given data. Find the average population in each village. Okay, so we have to find the average of the population, average population here. So average is nothing but we have to find the mean. Okay, mean is nothing but average. Okay, and we have to find the mean of this data, right? So I'm going to use here direct method. Okay, what is the formula for direct method? Average or mean is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula we have, right? We have to prepare the table first. So population in thousands, this is xi, and villages, this is nothing but our frequency f. Okay, here fi xi we have to find. Okay, right? So I'm going to make a table here. Is it neat? Yes, right. 12, 20 here. So 12,000, 20 villages, 5,000, 15 villages, 30,000, 32 villages, 20,000, 35 villages, 15, 36 villages, 8, 7 villages. Is it clear? Yes. Once again we shall check. 12,000, 20, 5,000, 15, 30, 32, 20, 20, 35, 15, 36, 8, 7. Okay, right. We have to find the fi into x, nothing but we have to multiply these two. Okay, right. 12 into 20, 12 2s are 24, nothing but it is 240. Okay, right. 15 5s, 75 it is. Next 30 into 32. So 32 into 30, 0 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. It is 960. It is 960. Next 20 into 35, 35 2s are 70. Here 0. It is 700. Okay. 36 into 15. 36 into 15. 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 36. 0. 14 1. 4 5. 540. 540 here. Next 8 7s are 56 here. Okay, right. Now sigma fi xi, nothing but we have to add all these things here. Okay, and sigma fi nothing but sum of these frequencies. Okay, now we have to find the sum of all these things. Sigma fi xi is nothing but sum of these things. Okay, right. Look at here. I'm going to add this. I'm taking here 240, 75, 960, 700, 540, 56. Here there is no place, that is why I am taking here. Here it is 5, 6, 11, 1 carry. Yeah, 4, 11, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 27, 7 here, 2 carry. Okay, right, 2 plus 7, 9, 9, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 25. Okay, 2, 5, 7, 1. sigma fi xi I got 2571. Okay, right. Next, sum of frequencies, this. So how much it is? 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 7 25. So 5 here, 2 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So here it is 145. So sigma fi I got 145. Okay, right. Substitute the values in formula. What is the formula? X bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi I got 2571 by sigma fi 145. Okay, right. Take the division here. So 145. So take neatly here. So 145 2571. So I think 145 once, 145 here. So take 2 here. 7 minus 5 2, 5 minus 4 1, 2 minus 1 1. Is it clear? Next. So bring down 1 here. So 145 into 10 will get 1450. Okay, that is bigger than this number. So take 145 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 4s 28, 29 30 31, 1 here 3 carry, 7 1 7 plus 3 10, 1 0 1 5. So 7s 1 0 1 5. So subtract 11 minus 5 is 6, 1 minus 1 0. So 1 minus 0, so 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 it is 1. Okay, 1 0 6. So take decimal point here and take 0 here, 1060. I think 1015 is enough to take here. So take again 145 sevens, it becomes 1015 again. Okay, so subtract 10 minus 5, 5 remains here, 5 minus 1 4, it is 45. Okay, is it 45? Yes, it is 45. So take 0 here, it is 450. So 145 into 3s, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s 12 13, 1 carry, 3 1 3, 1 4, 435 it is. So take 435 here, subtract what we get. So I am writing here 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 3 we get 1. Okay, right. So I have taken here 3. Sorry, I forgot to write there. So next 15 we got, remainder. Take the 0 again, 150. So 145 into 1, 145. Okay, what is the remainder now? 5 is the remainder. We shall continue, but I am stopping here. 17.731. Okay, so what is the quotient now? So I am erasing this. 17.731. X bar is equals to, we got 17.731. Okay, so what is this? The average population is 17.731 thousands, nothing but 17,731. Okay, right. This is the average population of the every village as per India census 2011. Okay, right. This is the way to find the mean.